Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
From the first time you held my pinky while watching scary movies, to our sunset walk on New Year's Eve when we promised on forever, I have always loved you. There's a phrase that I always ask you, why do you love me? And you always respond, because you're you. So today, I want to tell you why I love you. I love your spirit. You always tell me that you're a shy person, but you can hold a conversation with just about anyone and have them instantly want to be friends with you. I love your loyalty and commitment. There is no one I know who works as hard as you on the line by yourself, trying to feed the whole east side of the island. I love your compassion, the way that you take care of me when I'm sick, and how you take care of Brownie shows your patience and kindness. I know that you will make an amazing father to our Keiki one day. Lastly, I love who I am when I'm with you. You make me a stronger person by encouraging me to always be myself, even During my saddest moments in my life, you always found a way to make me smile. That is why today, in front of our family and friends, I promise to be your best friend and always hold your hand when you need it. I promise to be patient with you, even when you're driving. I promise to respect and support your ambitions, even if that means finally leaving Zippies. I promise to share the remote with you and let you watch wrestling as long as I can watch my Korean dramas. And I promise to love you every day for the rest of my life, snoring and all.
This is our fourth photo together. I remember exactly that the first day we met at the Zippy's break area, I was like, who is this cute girl? And now I couldn't even imagine that I am in front of her as your groom and husband. I just want to thank you for your love that gave me hope and be the better man that I am now. I promise to listen, to hear, and to always consider your feelings. As we travel together on this journey, I vow to love, honor, and cherish you, forsaking all others as a faithful husband as long as we both shall live. I love you now and forevermore.
Nohea, do you take Steven to be your husband? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect him, forsaking all others and holding only unto him forevermore?
I do.
Thank you. And Steven, do you take Nohea to be your wife? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her, forsaking all others and holding only unto her forevermore?
I do.
And now, by the power vested in me by the state of Hawaii, it is my honor and delight to pronounce you married. You may seal this pronouncement with a kiss. I am pleased to present for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Lau.
When you have found the one who touches your soul, who fills your life and makes you whole, then you have found true love. Time to raise a toast for two. Here's to love, here's to you. Cheers.
I wish both of you all the best and that you guys may prosper in everything that you guys do together. You guys will be rich in love and in health. Cheers.